Hey, if you want to connect two JBL Xtreme 4 speakers and create the stereo party, let me show you how to do this. First of all, you will have to connect the first speaker into the JBL portable application that you can simply download from the Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS devices. And when you are connected with your first speaker, you will have to go into the stereo group, and now it's actually searching for the second speaker. And on this second speaker, all you have to do is just to click once on this Auracast button. Of course, you will have to turn on this second speaker. Click on the Auracast button. It will actually lights up and you will hear that sound. And right now, your speaker will be visible right here. So all you have to do is just to tap on this speaker, then tap to create the party, and you will be connected. As you can see, that's quite simple. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.